Let me tell you something. I got something here that you don't ever want to turn down. I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul.
want you, boy, don't you feel it too? You know I need the love that's deep inside of you. So take me for the night, but don't lie or pretend that when tomorrow comes, we'll be more than just friends.
Like the crack of the whip, I snap, attack, front to back, in this thing called rap. Nigga like a shovel, rhyme double on a heavenly level. Bang the bass, turn up the treble. Radical mind, day and night, all the time. 714, wise, divine, maniac, brainiac, winning the game. I'm the lyrical Jesse James. Quality, I possess, some say I'm fresh, when my voice goes through the mesh of the microphone that I am holding. Copywritten lyrics so they can't be stolen if they all snap. Don't need the police to try to save them, your voice will see. So peace, stay off my back, or I will attack, and you don't want that.
down MC. I'm up on the mic, doing what you like. I'm just rocking to the beat of the early light. Sit back, whack, jam and relax. I watch the master rock from front to back. And let me tell you one thing I don't like, my friend. Discrimination I can't stand.
I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no.
Well, at the age of 9, I started to rhyme, and at the age of 10, I was rocking again. As I grew up and as I got older, I started to move my hips and then my shoulders, and now I'm rocking all over the nation, and that is my new occupation. I tried to get a job, but didn't manage, yo, and I can't stand it.
I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. It's funky.
But I'm back, not the whack, but jam and attack. I keep the people rocking from the front to back. Hollywood on the mic, I got the ladies uptight. Homeboys in the house, yo. They might just start up some shit to make everything legit. For anybody in the house who don't like it, fuck it, word, I'm on the go. I bust around and let it flow, keep you moving to the beat. Start the show.
I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no.
Respect, that's what you find. The leader of the show, the house is mine. I don't curse, fight, or bite when I write. But when I rock up on the mic, the party people get hype. I got my crew, busting the beats in your face. And I'm the dope jam, running this place. I be swinging all across the land. My damn champs from the Buffalo
I
stand.
can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no.
Have you forgotten that once we were brought here, we were robbed of our name, robbed of our language, we lost our religion, our culture, our God, and many of us, by the way we act, even lost our minds.
It's me again, yes. How did you guess? 'Cause last time you were really impressed and I'm bolder. Cooking cold, getting colder, and at the very same time I heat up at a party and soda. But now it's solar power. For far too long, made mistakes and allowed a fat and ugly thing get in my way. Now it's through the blade and have to say I'm no in between. Top of the rank like Pearl and Dean, and if you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. Ain't got no time for your boo-boo speedy boo. Betty Boo just doing the do and you are through. And there's nothing you can do. Betty Boo just doing the do and you are through. And there's nothing you can do. Hoodlum, that's why you call me rebellious. You can't ignore me, but never mind, 'cause I know that I'm sweeter. Your time is up to put my money in your meter. You say I bully, though I know I'm no goody-goody, but what I do know is that I'm fully in control. You're on the road, fat as a roly-poly, and I'm a hoe. You think that I'm a pet, 'cause I'm the best you could ever get. I never make the teacher's pet, and ease yourself. I know you despise me, you criticize and override me, but I'm better and a whole lot cleverer. A go-getter, you know, a trendsetter. I'm all the rage and all the craze. Come on, change the record, gotta turn the page, turn the page, turn the page, turn the page. Betty Boo just doing the do and you are through. And there's nothing you can do. I'm sorry if I upset ya. To get the better of me, I will let ya. Any time of the day, I could get ya. You come running at me, yes, I bet ya. Ain't going out like a sucker. There's no need to huff and puffer. 'Cause baby, I am tougher than you think, so you just gotta suffer. I'm sorry if I upset ya. To get the better of me, I will let ya. Any time of the day, I could get ya. You come running at me, yes, I bet ya. Ain't going out like a sucker. There's no need to huff and puff. Cause baby, I am tougher than you think, so you just gotta suffer.
Hey, let the bass fill up your place. The drum goes tick, boom, bum, Billy make show, wanna dance all day. Hey, lay down the beat so we can party. Check the groove and move for your body. We flirt and search to understand it. You'll see who's the boogie bandit. Bass.
down on the microphone stand. I give you all of those lyrics and introducing the band to make you understand how this plan I demand. My microphone to rock the homeboys with an instrumental to make noise. Yo, rock the homegirls too. I explain the name of the crew. Yo, this beat is technotronic. This beat is technotronic. And Eric got lyrics for you. I saw your posse, but now it's me who's bossy. So I'm giving the orders around here. You don't wanna get sick up here. Good party going, get the ball ready, and you're so ready. Hot, I rock steady, like a rock, and I won't stop till it's at the top. And suckers drop the hop to it. Yo, they couldn't do it. To get more to the point, they do it, but not like a glowing speaker. They can't go on because they're weaker. I seek a strong posse. I insist more on this posse. People who that lead to BK equal beats that I produced and techno produced it. So tight, why yo can't be a loose fit. So step right up for your solving. You know what the surprise is. Yo, this beat is technotronic. This beat is technotronic. And Eric got lyrics for ya. This beat is technotronic. This beat is technotronic. This beat is technotronic. Technotronic. This beat is technotronic. And Eric got lyrics for ya. Dance all your mush. You don't wanna make noise, so hush. Shh. Listen, no hip and booing. I'm your cueing. The words fresher. I test a MC and my stressor. Boy, I'm not making the song. I'm on the right track. Dancing goatee, and this is the rap. That was a warning. I get warming. Now we're on it. Participation, move the nation. This creation, hyperspaces, hottest bosses. Stop the clock and ride. So lonely, I can pop and you too. Let all the beat just move you. Now you know what you gotta do. This beat is technotronic. 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 This beat is technotronic.
Yet I'm just about to flow, bro. I'm here to let you know that I'm the only one you need. You think I'm lying? Check out the beat. Damn, if you're a pessimist, I disrespect your wishes, cause I'm an optimist, a friend of the future. This in the past, a young talent climbing up real fast, leaving you behind, make you find out that I'm the chosen one that moves the crowd forward. Backward side, we're upside down, get funky on a hip-hop sound, created to fill up the damn floor. Lyrics, a Rico, of course. So if you like to prove, so here's your chance. Now move.
Move your body, hey, move your body, move your body, let your body move your body, hey, move your body, let your body move. Get up, get on up, get up, get up, get on up.
Get delirious, hyped up, hyper, get curious. I'm serious. The beat is fast. The tempo's high, take your ass, pump up the gas. Let me see ya, act crazy, don't be lazy. If you are, don't face me.
Move your body, hey, move your body, move your body, let your body move your body, hey, move your body, move your body, let your body move.
You and you entertain. Check it out, it's time to explain.
Don't you know how to shake that body? Get up on this and make me groovy. Make it wet and blow that thing. Show your butt and make it swing.
Jump, jump, jump around, get ill, and slave to the sound.
Move your body, hey, move your body, move your body, let your body move your body, hey, move your body, move your body, let your body move.
Straight from love, yeah. So I need your love, yeah. From love, yeah. But I want you so, yeah. That means now you come along, fulfill my mind. Swear to God I'll take myself to feel your fate. Your points of view will kiss the ground with nothing blind. Everybody's gonna see. That's the guilt of you and me from love, yeah. So I need your love, yeah. From love, yeah. But I want you so, yeah. Girl, I want your love, girl, I need your love. From love, girl, I want your love, girl, I need your love. But I want you so. Now you dance my rhythm, honey, that's yours. It's up to you, get satisfied.
escape from this house. Lock the door, Shamika, yeah. I let the beat bounce, pump up the volume, make the place tremble, and dance around this mess but simple. Took our time verse for verse and beat for beat. Don't only bob your head but move your feet. DJ feel good, music is pumping. 3 a.m. and the crowd is still jumping. Damn, MC Joe, that's my name. Like water, nice and plain. Damn, MC Joe, that's my name. Like water, nice and plain. Damn, MC Joe, that's my name. Like water, nice and plain. Damn, MC Joe, that's my name. Like water, nice and plain. Like water, nice and plain. Refreshing your needs when you're feeling hot. Like a quencher, I hit the spot. But now comes the time when I rest the microphone. I did my part, so now you're on your own. So before I step out, moves from this place. And yo, Shamik, let them feel the bass. MC Joe, that's my name. Like water, nice and plain. Damn, MC Joe, that's my name. Like water, nice and plain. Damn, MC Joe, that's my name. Like water, nice and plain. Damn, MC Joe, that's my name. Like water, nice and plain.
Come on, let's make it funky, we funkin' to a thing we made. Hey, ain't it good to you? Are you well? Of course. I know you do adore it. There's a reason for negation, seduced by this beat and the sort of seduction, but just surrender the strength of dominating. Oh my God, what a feeling inside that you express externally while unwarranted moves, screaming hysterically. Total madness. You can also be victim better. Don't laugh at us. By the means of beats and rhymes, you're getting doper and doper. And this is a working out chore where you dance on this called the gangsta boogie. The gangsta boogie. When you dance on this called the gangsta boogie. Ah, yeah, the gangsta boogie. Again and again, again and again, I'm delivering this. Of course, it's essential evidence of productions so serious. What is the function is getting delirious. Chaotic style in the sense of entanglement. Elaborated to this is specimen. Take it or leave it in the tempo I'm giving. Keep surprising with what I'm saying. Reality, sometimes you cannot give it me. It's comprehensible, it's my philosophy. Put the dish, make sure you like it, it's doing damage. Yeah, you know it, agreeing. The only possibility that you have is get along. Keep moving or standing still like you're stupid because you're dealing. Because you're dealing with this, it's called the gangsta boogie. Alright, everybody in the place, gangsta boogie. Get steady dancing to the dance tonight. The gangsta boogie, yeah. Woo! Yeah! Woo! You're dealing with this, the gangsta boogie. Hit it!
caffè mi manda in estasi. Spiagge di ritmo sotto il sole, belle donne nell'Adriatico. Spiagge che vivono di notte lungomare, sfrenato al massimo.
mic, the crowd's inside, the atmosphere tight. Yeah, you're right, when you hear me squealing, that's the beat I'm feeling. Can't be this guy, the atmosphere's bubbling, so don't go troubling me now until the final bout. But honey, that ain't full now. Throw up your hands, listen to the bass kick. Don't know how you been doing it, but you're gonna do it like this for me. Why? This is a trip. See, the message is to live free. Be what you wanna be, do what you wanna do. Live your life, not the lives of a chosen few. Kicking up style like the ancient Roman. Bust that style, depression is the omen. I beg you the mic. I beg you the mic. I'm feeling good. I beg you the mic. I beg you the mic. I'm feeling good. Take the mic from the stand, hold the mic in my hand, express myself the way I see fit to portray the females of today. You know the way we stay. I wanna set the pace, I wanna take the mic, want you to feel it, move it, breathe it, hear the beat rip through to your heart veins, retaliate, bust out of the chains, divine you and hold you, suppressing the fun, lose control of your mind, I proceed to hit a rhyme, run, as fast as you can, you won't catch me, cause I'm a female MC, who can, who did, who won't ever stop, except for applause, bring the applause, I beg you the mic, I beg you the mic, I'm feeling good, I beg you the mic, I beg you the mic, I'm feeling good, I beg you the mic, sweet is in the house, I beg you the mic, I'm feeling good, I beg you the mic, I beg you the mic, I beg you the mic, please sir, I beg you the mic. Please sir, I beg you. Please sir, I'm begging you. Please sir, I beg you the mic. More and more and more and more. You know the score. I need a mic in my hand to control the volcano that erupts. The rhymes from the tip of my tongue to my mouth. Just how to clear it from north to south. Can't keep it inside me. It's just flowing. I'm feeling the buzz. I guess it's showing the mic to me is my life's purpose. Always will be, won't stop. So just, I beg you the mic. I beg you the mic. I'm feeling good. The people ain't booing it. They're just chewing on it. Don't be screwing it. You're doing it. Can you see that the rhythm is the drug? Since he is here to bring the buzz, yeah. C-Sweet is in the house and C-Sweet come to me. C-Sweet is in the house and C-Sweet come to me. I was born to shake the shack, born to rock the party. C-Sweet, I'm feeling good. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Feel the beat one time, now move. Yeah.